like I do. Oh, believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me, I can't stop loving you. The one thing I'm sure of is the way we make love. The one thing I depend on is for us to stay strong. With every word and every breath I'm praying. That's why I'm saying, please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do.
But there is something left in my head. You're the one that set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said. But there is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing. The feeling so strong, we're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away, I know. You were never satisfied, no matter how I tried. And now you wanna say goodbye to me. Oh no, love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing. The feeling so strong, we're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away, I know. Thank you. This is a brand new Michael Lust rock song called Family Tree. I'm gonna be the owner of the world for a little while, and it feels like I am flying. Waving like a crown in the crowd to get a smile. But they never saw me crying. Even when we dance across the floor, and everyone is calling out for more. Somewhere in your heart you feel alone. Hold my hand tonight and show me what is right. Make my life complete below the family tree.